Hello friend, and welcome to this stunning pool home located in the heart of Fort Worth. This home feels like a little villa. An adorable front terrace welcomes you into this home where you'll find a great layout. This one-story floor plan features 4 bedrooms. The owner suite is a must-see and 2 full bathrooms. This living room is huge with tall ceilings, fresh neutral paint, and a wood-burning fireplace. You'll love having family time here. You'll also get a formal dining room which connects to the kitchen. The kitchen has also received some love with gold accent hardware, wood accent countertops, bead-board backsplash. You're going to enjoy making meals and entertaining in here. Also conveniently located minutes away from highways and Hewlin Mall. You'll enjoy all of Fort Worth living in this place. During the summer, entertain in style by the large back patio or relax in your very own in-ground pool. This property also sits on 1/4 acre and has no HOAs. And for your kiddos, it is located in the highly coveted Fort Worth ISD. This home is zoned for Bruce Schulke Elementary School, Wedgwood Middle School, and Southwest High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.